Hi, class. Last week we were looking at different ways of displaying data and numbers using what we call descriptive statistics. And once we collect all that data, of course, we want to display it graphically because it just makes it easier to understand. So, usually, a graphic chart helps us do that. And a histogram is like one of the most useful things that we can look at as statisticians for a way of visualizing what's going on with the distribution of our data. So, that's kind of like what we started last week. This week, we're kind of doing the same thing, but we're going to be more focused on numeric descriptions. So now that you've got like an idea of some different kinds of graphs and charts and definitely histograms, now we're going to be starting to look at things like what a mean is, or what a percentile is, and we'll be calculating a few other things too with our calculators. So as far as nursing goes, some examples that you've already been doing this would be something like over the last 5 years, you might calculate the average monthly amount of money that the trauma unit spent on gauze. Or you might be looking at an 8 month old and see that they're on the 67th percentile for height for their age. Different things like that, where you're just using statistics to describe quantitatively different aspects of patients and such. So throughout this course, you're going to continue to see that you've already been using stats without really knowing it. So as we jump into week 3, now you're going to get some practice doing it and knowing that you're doing stuff that's related to stats. So that's pretty much all I've got for you, and I'll see you in class. So have a good one.